Home buyers slammed on the brakes during November, and it wasn't just a seasonal thing. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Home sales have dropped 4 months in a row, and compared to last November, we're down more than 800 units. There were fewer sales even though buyers had a lot more choices than last November. Sellers tried to get buyers back up to speed by dropping prices. However, looking back a few years, prices are still out of reach for many buyers, especially given higher interest rates. Let's go local with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, way up almost everywhere. Alameda, Castro Valley, Fremont, Newark, San Leandro, and San Lorenzo all more than double. Union City up 300%. Prices mostly down compared with last November. Sales down everywhere. Alameda, Berkeley, Castro Valley, San Leandro, and San Lorenzo all down more than 40%. Next, we're in West Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, way up in the smaller communities, El Sobrante, Hercules, and Pinole. Prices mixed. El Sobrante up to $869, San Pablo down to $565. Sales down. Richmond drops 47% from last November. Now let's go to Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, way up. Pleasant Hill jumps from 2 units for sale last November to 31 on the market. Prices mixed. Clayton, which was above $1 million, was actually down 13%. Walnut Creek at 1.4 is also down, though just 2%. Sales down. Concord, 46 sales, down 60%. La Miranda is up next. Homes for sale, way up. Orinda, 30 for sale, up 400%. Prices down. Moraga, 1.78, down 13%. Sales down. Moraga, 6 sold, down more than 50%. Let's check out the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale, way up. Dublin, 27 for sale, up 800%. Massive increases in Pleasanton and San Ramon as well. Prices mostly down. Dublin, 1.16, down 17%. Danville at more than $2 million, actually up 10%. Sales mostly down. Danville, Livermore, Pleasanton all dropped more than 50%. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale, yep, up everywhere. Antioch, 163, more than doubles. Brentwood, 152, up almost 300%. Prices mixed. Brentwood, 760, down 8%. Discovery Bay, 875, up 5%. Sales down everywhere. Antioch down almost 50%. Pittsburgh down more than 60%. Last thought, how much did East Bay real estate activity slow down? A home was on the market an average of 16 days last November. This November, 30 days. Happy holidays. We'll see you next month.